When you build a whole car from scratch, parts is a huge issue. I spreadsheet the builds. It's about 700 line spreadsheet. So there's a lot of items. And according to GM, a 1970 Chevelle has 10,000 parts if you ever count every nut, bolt, washer, etc. So all these cars are in that range. We had to have a partner, and in the beginning we didn't. Richard wanted a bolt bin for years. Good morning, Richard. Bolt bin. Richard. Bolt bin. Richard. Okay, bolt bin. Now we have Winzer.
They were looking for a nut and bolt supplier to supply their needs, and I fit that bill, and I helped them organize a lot in this room.
They brought in a whole wall full of drawers, slide-out drawers, and every compartment holds a specific bolt, washer, lock washer, nut, whatever it might be. They have their own part number. We always have them in stock because one of the biggest things that slow you down when you're putting a car together is when you have to run to the bolt store 10 times a day to get hardware. Now we have all of that under our own roof. All you gotta do is go back there, grab the grade, the size, and the associated hardware, bring it out and put it on the car.
Individual franchises build the customer relations. Winzer provides the products, so it's kind of a win-win situation.
Winzer has a tag on every compartment that has a barcode, and when the technicians pull 5 bolts to go put an alternator on or whatever it might be, they have a laser gun just like what you would see at the hardware store or the supermarket, and you use that ray gun and you scan the barcode. That automatically goes into the system and gets charged to the customer's bill.
They've been around since 1978. They started out as International Metric Supply, selling nuts and bolts to the import car industry. Through the years, they grew into industrial products, military. They've become a GSA supplier, so the long-term growth has been excellent.
Without a bolt bin, these guys would have already mutinied and killed me by now.